Hey friends, whether it's your first time here or you're part of the asedoskitchen crew, you're most welcome to my kitchen. Today we are cooking up a simple stewed black eye beans cooked with carrots and potatoes. It's delicious, budget-friendly, and a great way to boost your protein intake. I start by frying the onions until they turn golden and add the tomatoes, followed by water. I let this cook for 10 minutes, then I add the beans, coriander powder, curry powder, vegeta, and top them up with water. Then I cook this for 30 to 40 minutes. The beans are soft but not fully cooked, so I add the carrots. I cook this on low heat for 5 minutes before adding the potatoes. At this point, I add the potatoes, cumin powder, and garlic paste, stir to combine, and continue cooking this until the potatoes are cooked to my liking. The beans are cooked to my liking, so I adjust salt to taste and let it cook on low for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the salt to blend in. Our stewed beans are now ready. I like my beans and potatoes on the softer side. However, feel free to adjust the cooking time according to your preferred level of firmness. I served this with rice and it was super delicious. It can be served with kisra, chapati, or bread rolls. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and let me know in the comments if you try it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my simple yet tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.